it coming in the air. Hear the screams from everywhere. I'm addicted to the thrill.
I'm ready.
It's a dangerous love affair. Can't be scared when it goes down.
I love Kolberg, it's my hometown, so it's hard to dislike something here.
As you can see, the weather here, it's always sunny and beautiful.
Many tourists trying to pay euro in Poland.
We don't have cool sharks and dolphins, but we do have seagulls that poop everywhere and cute pigeons that you can feed.
No, I just can't.